Good afternoon everyone. We are from Government Degree College. Our project is Impact of Mobile Phones and Electronic Gadgets on Visual Health. My part is Introduction. In today digital ages, mobile phones electronic device become an internal to our device daily life, serving as tool for communication, entertainment, education and work. That widespread accessibility and continuous advancement in technology has led to an unprecedented sugars in screen time across all age groups. While this device brings convenience and connectivity, they also raise a significant concern about their impact on visual health. Extend usage of smartphones, tablets, laptops and other electronic screens expose the eyes to harmful blue light glare. Next, my friend Sadaf Sultan.
Final year. My part is review of literature. The impact of mobile phones and electronic devices is a growing concern, particularly among and school age children. Research includes that the excessive use of these devices may lead to computer vision syndrome and digital eye strains. The intervention should focus on promoting healthy gadgets, use habits such as limiting screen time and encouraging regular breaks by Buffon and Rahman 2024. The next part is aims and objectives. The first one is to assess the impact of screen time on visual health. The second one is to identify common symptoms and conditions, to explore contributing factors, to examine protective measures, to raise awareness and recommended solutions. Next by Sri Harshita.
Myself, D. Sriharshita, I am studying leadership final year. My part is methodology. The study was conducted a questionnaire based survey to the impact of mobile phones and electronic devices on various health issues. Nizamabad district. This was Nizamabad district town. Google Map. This was the research method involved the following steps: target population and sampling, questionnaire designer, data collection, data analysis. Targeting population and sampling. The target population consistent of individual residing in Nizamabad district who frequently using mobile phones and electronic devices. A randomly sampling method was employed to select the participants, ensuring diversity in age, gender and providing into the issues. Questionnaire design. The structured questionnaire was developed comprehensive on both open-end and closed-end questions. It was designed by simply, clear and encouraging the participation. The next continuing Rimsha Firdaus.
Myself, Rimsha Firdaus, studying BZC final year. My part is result and discussion. We conduct a survey on many people of different age groups. In this survey, 250 females and 150 males are participated. Question is, how often do you use electronic devices such as mobile phones, computers, etc.? In this survey, we know that the 62% people are using higher mobile phones and 70% people are using occasionally and 11% people are using an hour a day and 9.2% people are using rarely. The second question is, have you ever experienced any of the following visual symptoms after using electronic devices? In this survey, we know that the students who are using high mobile phones are suffering from the headaches, eye strain and blurred vision. The third question is, how do you manage the symptoms? Then they said that they manage the symptoms by frequent breaks and using eye drops and wearing glasses. The third question we asked them is, how many hours of sleep do you get an average night? By this survey, we found that the 51% people are getting 6 to 8 hours sleep and 37% people are getting more than 8 hours of sleep. The fifth question we asked them is, do you think electronic devices have affect your sleep patterns? They said that 57% people said that they are getting affected by these electronic gadgets. Next, my friend Madhya.
Myself, Maria Joseph from BJC second year. Today my part is conclusion. The findings of this study highlights the significant impact of mobile phones and electronic gadgets on visual health, emphasizing the growing prevalence of conditions such as digital eye strain, myopia, and other vision-related disorders. The result underline the importance of habits such as 20/20 rule, maintaining appropriate viewing distance, and also incorporating preventive technologies like blue light filters in our phones. By addressing contributing factors like excessive screen time in our phones. In last, we have to ensure the balance and healthy relationship with our phones or electronic devices such as computers, TVs, screens. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.